attention TV so my son so anywhere then share subscribe our YouTube follow our Facebook like comment and share our both sides from me and atadwe yen yate de and then na atadwe ne e de call e de Ghana Police Service and the Ghana Police Service for ete atadwe na and the wate asem den na nyina mu no president His president is E Akufo Addo at the motorbikes 1,500 at the Akodo moment of watching much the same. A camia say no Akufo Addo's will just no has say any Ghana no has say and we say Omokochi be crying and intentional and yet fast to say Obia what Timoto so. I know what the car no cockra mu traffic and so back watching the panopa and the pano edwane Akufo Addo President Akufo Addo at the same etuja and so ho ana IGP Dampare Akufo and so edin sem ebe tuja wechi mache se omani asopapa eye se president adre omoho yenko na yenko tiem bra president Hanado Dankwa Akufo Addo eda 1,500 motorbikes a dia or day call Edema Ghana Police Service and so on IGP Akufo Dampare so edin sem ebe tuja
gave approval for the police to recruit 5,000 officers. Some 3,000 of those recruited have passed out, with the remaining still under training. These officers are the first batch of men and women to benefit from the modified police training curriculum, which is focused on equipping the police officers with skills in driving, swimming, and motorbike riding, in addition to other tactical and soft skills. That is why I'm happy to hand over these 1,500 motorbikes to the police service, to urge further the service on to continue doing the good work it is doing to keep all of us safe. I'm confident that these bikes will be put to very good use as they will reach the communities who need them most. I assure the police administration that this is just the beginning. More and more motorbikes will come in soon to help ensure that every single community in the country benefits from the enhanced community policing model. Government will increase the number of motorbikes presented by government to 5,000 by the end of next year. As you take over these motorbikes, know that Ghanaians will expect you to show presence, improve your response time, and be out there to patrol the streets and the inner cities. I urge you to help ensure that no community is left out in the distribution of these bikes, even as you prioritize the areas that are most crucial. I entreat officers who will use these bikes to take good care of them, but more importantly, to pay particular attention to their safety.
Minister for the Interior and Member of Parliament for Nando, Honorable Ambrose Derry. Sir, thank you. We have the Inspector General of Police, Dr. George Akufo Dampare. I would also acknowledge members of the Police Management Board, POMAB members here with us. Thank you for joining us. We are grateful to other senior officers and men of the service who are here and our colleagues from the media for taking the time to honor this occasion for us. At this juncture, I will humbly call on the Inspector General of Police to give us his welcome remarks and the purpose for this gathering. Let's receive him with applause.
The President of the Republic of Ghana, Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo Addo, Honorable Minister for the Interior, who happens to be an uncle of mine, an adopted one, of course, my colleague, POMAB members, my voters, to welcome all of you to today's function, which is the handing over of 1,500 motorbikes to aid police activities across the country by His Excellency, the President of the Republic of Ghana. My task is very simple. And all what I can say is that, Mr. President, we are grateful to you, to your government, and the good people of Ghana for the continuous support that you continue to extend to the police service. And it is with this that we want to give the assurance to you and to the people of Ghana that we will continue to do all what it takes to maintain the peace and ensure the security and the safety of everyone, so that Ghana will continue to be a beacon of hope and a trailblazer when it comes to sustain peace and security in a sub-region which is in turmoil. On this note, I would like to say that, Mr. President, we appreciate everything and all the support that comes from far and near, all the constructive criticisms towards our institution, which will continue to help us to become better, so that as we pledge that we want to become the best institution in the country and a reference point for the rest of the world, it will come to pass. And we will mean it and will stand by it, and we can say that what you are going to provide to us today will go a long way in our attainment of that. And we cannot wait. We cannot just wait to receive them and start putting them to use and making this country safer than it was yesterday, and also going to make it safer than we are going to make it today. On that note, Mr. President, once again, on behalf of my colleagues at POMAP and the entire police service, we want to once again welcome you to this function. And at this point, I humbly would like to invite my sector minister to give his remarks. I thank you very much.
Excellency, the President of the Republic of Ghana, Nana Akufo Addo, the Inspector General of Police, Dr. George Akufo Tampari, and his formidable team, POMAP, who are working together to give us new image of the police service. Officers and men of Ghana Police Service, invited guests, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are witnessing yet another intervention by His Excellency the President to make sure that the police is professional, very equipped to meet the challenges of internal security as a lead security agency of this country. In the manifesto of the MPP for the 2016 election, Mr. President set out clearly his targets. One, the goal to make each and every person in Ghana feel secure, therefore exercising that fear syndrome that gripped us. And there were elements in it that he stated. One, to make the police more professional. Two, to make sure that the police is working professionally without the intervention of the perception that they are being controlled by the executive or whatever. He also did what was necessary to give Ghana the paradigm shift. Security was on a back burner. He brought it ahead because he knew that security was a necessary precondition for his economic transformation that he was pursuing. Today, I can say, having been granted that
I would say for 1,500 motorbikes His Excellency President Nana Akufo Addo Ede Akoma Ghana Police Service for and any other some our attention TV so Mameka of Second Vasti Foundation and I say as na edijimedi ebe some our attention TV so feno 054 AFB 029 85 attention TV we inspire Mama Monisha Monity with us.